Hello guys, you're welcome to GrinCode. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a stylish and a simple good looking calendar with HTML tables and CSS. So if you're new to this channel and if you don't know the introduction to HTML and CSS, especially HTML tables, you can go back to the channel and check out the other videos there. You'll see all those videos there, the introduction to HTML and introduction to a well explained tutorial on HTML tables, so that you can understand how to create this, because we are going to use HTML tables to create this particular calendar. So let's just get started. So first we are just going to create our folder, a new folder on our computer. I'm creating mine on the desktop and I'm going to name it calendar. So I'm going to name it calendar, and then we will use an image. So we put this image in the folder so that we use it as our background of the body or the page. So let's open this folder in VS Code, and so we go to file and then click open folder. Then we'll select our folder that we created and then open it. Okay, so now let's wait for it to open. Alright, so now our folder has opened here, and you can see the image that we are going to use as our background it is also here. So we are going to click on new file, and then we'll name it index.html. So index.html, we are going to declare our doc type. So okay, so HTML. Let's declare the language. So language EN. Alright, so we're going to create our header, our head. So head, and then meta, okay, character set, which is chart set. Okay, ETF8. Alright, now meta name. Let's create our meta name. Viewports. Alright, so contents with device equals device with initial scale. So device with initial scale equals 1.0. Okay, so now we'll go to our body. We'll create our body, and then we'll start with our table. Okay, we'll create title. So let's make it October 2024. October 2024. Alright, so now let's create our body. So we'll create our body and create an H1. Alright, then October calendar, because we are in October, right? So let's create, we are creating an October calendar. So October 2024. Yeah, so we are going to create our table. So table. Alright, so T head, which is a table head. Okay, so now TR TH. So we are going to start from Sunday up to Saturday. So Sunday. So we're going to do same for all of the days. So Monday. Okay, enter TH. Tuesday. Okay, then Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is it 2S or 1S? No, it's 1S. Okay, so Thursday. TH means table head. Okay, so like I said, if you don't understand how to use tables, you can go back to the channel. There's a well-explained tutorial on HTML tables. It is well explained very much there. You will understand it very much, so that you will know what we are doing here. Yes. So Saturday. Okay, so now let's save and see what we have done. So now let's open the folder and open our HTML file. Okay, so now our H1 is here, and then our table head is also here, set Sunday to Saturday. So now let's create the days. Alright, so TR. Okay. Alright, so TD, which is table data. Alright, so the first two are going to be empty because October starts from Tuesday, right? Yes, it starts from Tuesday. September ended on Monday, so October starts from Tuesday. So, and we are going to create the table data according to the number of days, which is, so we have 7 days in a week. So we are going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah. So Tuesday is going to be the third one. So here is going to be third. 03, 04, and then 05 here. Okay, so now let's save and see what we have done. Let's see what we have done. Alright, okay, so our dates are appearing. Okay, so now let's create the same thing. So TR. Okay, so TD. So we are going to continue our days. So 06. Okay, let's 07. TD. 08. Creating a calendar or HTML tables is very simple and very easy to do, and it's actually very easy to understand. So just focus and you're going to get it. So here's the fifth one. Alright, yes. So now let's add last one to match the days of the week. So 12. So let's save this one too and see whether we are doing the right thing. Refresh. Okay, alright, good. Alright, so now let's continue. So now let's copy this whole thing and paste, and then edit it for the rest of the days. So paste. Now this one ended in 12, so we're going to continue on 13. So 13, 14, here will be 15. Here's 16, and then here's 17, then 18, 19, 19. Okay, so we're going to paste again and then continue. 20, 21, maybe 22. Make it 23, make it 24, 25, 26. Okay, so we copy again, continue. The last one is 27, 28, 29, 30. October ends in 31, so the last two is going to be empty. Yeah, because October has ended. We are creating for only October. So now let's refresh and see what we have done. Alright, good. So our calendar is complete. We have created our month of October calendar, So now let's go and add some CSS styles to it, and then let's style it and make it look good. So we are going to add the CSS, and here in this tutorial we are not going to create an external CSS. We are going to do internal. So we are going to create our CSS style in the head of our HTML file. So let's start from the body. If you don't understand CSS through CSS, we also have a tutorial in this channel, yes, on CSS, very well explained. You will understand it, very simple and easy to understand. You can go and refer to it, and then you know what you do. So now let's add background position. Let's make it center, and then we'll make a background size cover. Yeah. Alright, so let's add main height. Okay, main height 100 ph. Okay, so now let's save and see what we have done. Let's save and see, refresh. Alright, so our background image has appeared and it is looking good. It is covering the whole page and it's looking good already. So let's go and continue. So let's go to the table. Let's start the table first. Okay, so table. Alright, so background, the background, let's make it Georgia blue, and then border collapse, so that's going to be any borders. So now border collapse, let's border collapse from down here and make it collapse, and then let's add border end radius, border end radius to make it look more stylish. Yeah, to make it look more stylish. So border end radius, and then border top left radius, yeah, 30 pixels, and then border top left radius, top left radius. Alright, let's make it 30 pixels too. Okay, so now let's save and see what we have done. Fresh. Alright, so it's looking more good and stylish. Alright, so now let's go and continue and add more styles to it. So now let's add color to our H1. Let's go and add color to our H1. So H1. Alright, so color, the color, let's make it okay, let's use the hex. Okay, so D3163, this one, let's just make it blue. Let's just make it Georgia blue. Yeah, Georgia blue is okay. Alright, okay, so now let's save and refresh so that we don't have too many different colors in on our page. Okay, so now it looks good. Okay, so now let's go to our table head, which is the TH. Let's add some style to the TH. So the TH font size 16 pixels. So the font size 16 pixels. You can choose any size or any colors that you also want. It is your own page and you are the designer, you are designing it. Okay, let's add font weight. Let's make the font weight 600. Bold. Yeah, let's make it bold. And then let's make color. Let's make the color let's make it red. I think red will do. Yeah. now let's make the background. Let's make it which color. Okay, let's use the hex hash D. Okay, yes, let's make D5 F5 E3. This color. Okay, let's just make it. If it doesn't look good, we'll just change to D5 F5 E3. I think it will look good. Yeah. This color, I don't know the name, whether it's light green or light blue or whatever. Alright, so it's looking good. Yes, RTH has a background color, and I think it's looking good. Alright, so now let's go back to CSS and continue. Let's go and add some styles to the TD, which is the table data. So TD. Okay, now let's add color. Color. Okay, let's make it Alice blue, and then font size 30 pixels. That 30 pixels will do. So font size 30 pixels. 30 pixels. And then font width, let's make it 600. Font width 600. Okay, so let's save and see what we have done, whether it is looking good or how it is looking now. So let's save this one and go refresh our page. Refresh. Alright, I think it's looking more good. Alright, it's looking more good. Okay, it's okay. So let's go back to our code and add some more stars to it. So now let's we're going to come to the each one, the body, and then add some small stars to it. Or should we, let's add yeah, so let's we just add a line. So we just type a line across center. Alright, now let's see how it is looking. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, alright, so it's good. So now let's bring this one to the center, and so now let's go to table. So in the table we will align the table to center too as well. So center. Okay, now let's add a cell spacing 25, and then cell spacing. Equals 25, and then cell padding equals 25. Alright, so let's save and see how it is also looking now. Let's see how it is looking. Alright, so now it is looking more good, and it is appearing very nice and more stylish. Yeah, so we are going to add the top left border radius, and then we'll also add a shadow. So this we are going to add some box shadow. So now let's go back to the CSS and add a box shadow to the table. So box shadow 10 pixels. Yeah, okay. If it doesn't look good, we will change it to 10 pixels and 15 pixels. RGBA. Space. Okay, so RGBA. Right, let's just add it from here. Okay, so we make the value we make here 0, and then delete this one too and make it 0, and then this one to make it 0. yeah, comma, and then we'll delete this and make it 1. We are making it black. Yeah. So now let's save and see how it's looking. Good. So now it's looking more good. But let's reduce this side and this side and make it 5. Yeah, let's make it 5 pixels. So let's make the size 5 pixels. Yeah, so that's good to look more professional. Look. So it's already working, right? So let's see. Okay, alright, so now it's looking more good. Yeah, it's looking more professional. Remember, we made this one responsive. Okay, so now let's add some styles, some more styles and change. What are we going to do now? So alright, so now we are going to make this one Sunday one color. Alright, yes, we are going to change, make it look more stylish and all that. So now let's just change the color of the side. So now the TH. Right, so now let's add style and make border top radius, top left radius. Yeah, let's make it 30 pixels, and then let's see. Alright, so now it's looking good. Alright, so now let's change this side, the color of this side, okay, to make it appear more nice. It's more professional to look good. So let's add style to this one, and then border top right radius 30 pixels, and then background color. Let's add a background color. Let's choose this color. So let's see and see how it is looking. Alright, so now it is looking more good. I think it is looking more good. Alright, so now let's come to the next one and do save again. So style. Okay, background color, no background, so no border radius. Let's just make it background color. Yeah, so background color. Okay, color. Okay, let's choose this color and then make the color of the text. Let's make it red. So color red. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, so it's looking more good and more professional. So let's do same to all of them. So let's add style to this one too. Okay, so style. Okay, background color. It's color red. Okay. Let's add some to the next one. Okay. Style. Background color. Color red. Yeah. Let's add some to the last one. So next one. Let's style. Background color. This one to red. Okay, so now let's save and see what we have done and see how it is looking. Okay, good, it's looking more good, right? So now let's finally add some border radius to this side. Yeah, so let's go and add border bottom right radius. Yeah, so now let's go back to the code and add border radius over there. So border bottom right, yeah, let's let's make it 30 pixels too. Right, yes, so congratulations, you have created a stylish and responsive calendar with HTML tables and CSS. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Like I said, if you don't understand anything, you can go and watch the basic tutorial on HTML and CSS to be able to understand it very well. This is so simple and easy to understand. Thank you so much for watching. Please do all to share the video and also like the video as well, and then subscribe to the channel.